I'm also a huge fan of tabs, adding them just as little bits of tucking layers on my scrapbook layouts. This particular tab punch is a nice size, and it's also a great size to layer. And so that's what we're going to do now. We are going to use some of our scraps again just to make some layers. So I'm going to punch out a green and a rust and a pearlescent. Okay, so again, I'm making a set of 3. You can make as many as you would like. I'm going to use this ticket punch. Again, like I said, if you don't have this one, because I don't know if it's still available through Stampin' Up, this punch will work as well. Just keep in mind that this is a different scale to this. So if we were to proportionately look at this, it's quite a bit different. You may want to use this one instead, or this one. But I'll show you what I'm doing with this one. Okay, so let's take the copper and bronze. Keep that. This little guy can go in our embellishment bin. We're going to take some of this. Again, whatever scraps you have, just use those. And we're going to do the yellow. Okay, so there's a couple of things that you can do. You can put the tab in front of the ticket, so you can do something like that. This is nice if you want to use this as a label and do some sort of writing on it, or if you're going to add like a word sticker or something like that, you can layer this on top. Again, I like to stagger, and we are going to staple, but you can definitely use adhesive. Okay, just something like that. For this one, I'm going to switch it around. I'm going to put the ticket behind the tab. And on this one, we're going to put the ticket in front again. And I'm going to switch it over to the other side, just to give me options. I cut out 3 more of the words. I'm going to use exploring and happy, and what else should I use? Maybe not quite sweater weather, because I live in Southern California, and even though fall is a little bit cooler, it most definitely is not sweater weather here. It's actually almost never sweater weather for me. I maybe wear a sweater like a handful of times in the winter. I will put on a cardigan or something, that's for sure, but like an actual full-blown heavy knit, you know, like cable knit sweater, yeah, it doesn't happen very often. I run too warm. So let's get these adhered. Okay, so let me show you what those look like so far. They still need a little something, and I think we're going to use a heart punch, and we're just using scraps. That might be cute with the green. This one needs something to brighten it up. How about the plaid? And guess what we're going to do? Of course, we're going to add some rhinestones. I'm going to do 2 on this one. Maybe even 3. And that's those.